What's up guys, welcome back to a new Raqmedia tutorial here with Izzedine. Today we continue in our Facebook tutorial series and we show you how to create a Facebook developer account. Welcome back. So as we all know, Facebook offers a new portal for developers which offers them new utilities such as analytics, applications, IPs, artificial intelligence, messenger, Instagram, business tools, etc. So it offers really different tools to help the webmasters and developers in general to get the most out of Facebook and make the work fluent, especially with websites or mobile applications. Good. So today we'll show you how to create an account for free. So it is better to take a decision and create a Facebook developer account, as this may become a paid service in the future, like Google Play Store. Links will be provided below the video. You can check all the utilities and details about the tools which are offered. So let's head into work. So first of all, you need to click on Get Started from the top in here. Good. So this will pop up a new window if you are already signed in into Facebook. Otherwise, you need to sign in to Facebook or create a Facebook account first in order to create a developer account. Good. So here we are already signed in. All we need to do is just to create a Facebook for developers account by clicking on Next. So by proceeding, of course, you agree to the terms and marketing related electronic communications from Facebook, like news, updates, notification, promotional emails, etc. So let's click on Next. Great. On the next window, you need to verify your account by providing a phone number and selecting your country. And you have two options, whether to send a text message or to send via phone call. You need to provide the confirmation code and paste it on the next box. After entering all your details and your phone number, you need also to enter the password of your Facebook account or re-enter it in order to confirm. Next, you submit. Okay, so we have received the message. Just type in the code that you have just received. Good. And next you click on Verify. Also, you can verify your account by adding a credit card at the bottom in here. Let's just carry on verifying using the phone number. Well done. So our phone now is verified and our account has been created. What we need to select is which of the following best describes you. Means for which reason will you be using this account. Use this owner founder. Good. And that's it. So as we said, our account now is created. And we can start by creating our first application. Good. And create. On the first box, you just type in the name of your new application ID. Good. And next, you select a valid email in order to contact you for potential policy violation, app restriction, or deletion, etc. Good. Next, we just hit Create App ID.
www.raqmedia.com.
Good. Here we need to check the box for security check in order to proceed. Good. So just submit. Well done. So now you will be redirected to the dashboard as you can see, and here is your app with all the different functionalities that you can use: Messenger, Facebook login, audience network, analytics, instant games, webhooks, App Center, web payment, etc. So all the different tools that you can use to promote your channels and interact with your visitors if you are using a website. At the top in here you can also use some of the famous tools by Facebook, like sharing debugger. If you are having a website, you can check your website links before sharing them from in here, or refresh the templates. Webmaster tools. Here you can verify your account. All you need to do is just click on verify domain.
www.raqmedia.com.
This will take us to Business Manager, and from there you can verify your account. So you can check our previous tutorial in which we show you how to do so. So with this we have reached the end of this tutorial. Keep tuned for coming tutorials and hacks on how to make the best of Facebook and social media in general. It's your host Izzedine. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com